Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Charlie.
I got a question for you. If there's 4 people and they're out in a boat at sea and there's no food and everyone's going to die because they're starving to death, is it okay for 3 of the people to eat the 4th one so that all the other 3 will live? What do you reckon, Cha? It's okay. It's okay for 3.
Because only one would die.
Because only one would die, but the 3 would live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the fourth was bad, and the threes were good.
How do you know the 4th was bad?
Because the fourth was a robber.
Oh, so that makes it okay. So if the 4th one's a robber, it's okay.
Yeah.
What about if they're all really good people? What about if they're all school teachers? Is it okay then?
Yeah.
It's still okay.
Because one of the school teachers are a robber school teacher.
Oh, so how do you work out which one to eat? You just ask who's a robber.
Yeah.
But what about if the robber's not telling the truth?
They just go on telling.
Huh?
They just go on and say, checking in the pockets and seeing if he's still any.
Oh, you check his pockets to see who's stolen stuff.
Yeah.
But they're in a boat. There's nothing to steal there.
But from land.
Oh, I see. What he stole from land and took it with him. So it's okay then.
Yeah.
What about if none of them are robbers? Is it better for everyone to starve? Or
Nah.
you still eat one of them? Yeah.